Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katerina, and for today's video, I am making a smoothie bowl with an acai and kale and spinach base. The reason why I titled this video taking something healthy and making it delicious is because this base by itself does not taste good. Alright, let's get into this. So in this Vitamix container, I'm going to be putting in the base as well as a 1/3 cup of milk. I'm using whole milk. You can use almond milk or whatever milk you want because this can be also vegan. Alright, I'm taking some of these mango chunks and also putting that inside the Vitamix for a little bit of flavor. Also, I take a banana. I'm gonna use half of this banana for the mix, and then after that, I'm gonna use it on top for like the decoration and the pieces of fruit. So here's the thing. I add this matcha, like a half a teaspoon for this base because it makes the green, the kale, tastier. So let's just do that. If you don't have this, it's optional. So I'm really struggling here. I'm gonna go and blend that right up, and I will show you how the base is going to look like once everything's blended. Also, if you need to add extra liquid, add the milk, almond milk, or just to make it more liquidy if it's too like icy. Oh my god. All right, so it came out a little bit liquidy. It should be more frozen. That's because I kind of left out the base for a little too long, so it got soft. So now we're gonna put that into the bowl, and look, it comes out really nicely. All right, now it's time to cut up some fruit. So it looks aesthetically pleasing. This peeler is so helpful when it comes to taking off the skin of kiwi as well as mango. Alright, doing it nicely. Oh my god, it's so slippery. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. I hope you're having a wonderful day. You know, I'm excited about kind of going back to school. Not necessarily having a normal senior year, but at least by having the option of going half day to school is better than nothing. Like I said, I'm using half of the mango. I saw this video on TikTok, I think, it started with like, you know, with the skin on, but he like took the mango and twisted it. I don't think this works, yeah. I'm destroying this mango. Comment down below what fruit is your favorite, by the way. Mine is probably, it changes for me. So right now it's mango. I really like mango. And I like cherries. Cherries are really delicious. I like white cherries. If you have ever tried them, let me know. Oh, I recently started Reels. Go check out my latest Reels. So make sure you're following my Instagram. It is at kat.a.k. Yeah, I think they're really cool. And let's see how this reel thing goes. Now I'm gonna grab a handful of blueberries. So I use this granola with coconut. It's very tasty. I got it from Whole Foods. So I'm gonna take like 3 spoonfuls, maybe 4. Let's do 4. All right, now I have a handful of cashews, and I need to find some space where to put it, but I'll just put it right on in the middle. Voila, this is the finished result. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you try this at home. It is actually a very, very easy recipe, and it's healthy. Also, not only did you guys learn how to make an acai base with kale and spinach taste good, you're able to enjoy this new recipe, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. All right, bye.